Welcome to the house of AGARO, the next generation of healthy living. If you are looking for a cleaning appliance for your house, the best alternative is nothing but the AGARO Twister vacuum cleaner. With 2200 watt powerful motor and a super suction capacity up to 25 kPa, it holds a dust collection capacity of 6 liters, giving you optimum cleaning results. Its 360-degree swivel hose pipe sucks off every speck of dirt in all directions, while the CREVICE nozzle reach out to the difficult corners with no chances of dust appearance anywhere. Coming with a 10-meter long cord and an automatic cord winder, AGARO Twister gives you a complete dust-free home. AGARO, live better.